Creative garden recycling ideas to make your backyard sustainable. Gardening is not only a relaxing hobby, but it is also a great way to reconnect with nature and contribute to a healthier environment. Fortunately, there are numerous garden recycling ideas that can help you reduce your carbon footprint, save money, and create a sustainable backyard. Some of the best garden recycling ideas. Repurpose old items. One of the simplest and most effective garden recycling ideas is to repurpose old items that you no longer use or need. Compost your waste. Composting is a simple and effective way to reduce household waste while creating nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Upcycle old furniture. Old chairs, tables, and dressers can be transformed into unique and functional garden features. Create DIY garden art. Garden art can add personality and charm to your outdoor space while using upcycled or repurposed materials. Use rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a sustainable and cost-effective way to water your garden while conserving water. You can collect rainwater from your roof or a rain barrel and use it to water your plants. Grow your own food. Growing your own food is not only a great way to save money, but it is also a sustainable and healthy way to eat. Use natural pest control. Instead of using chemical pesticides, try using natural pest control methods that are safe and effective. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.